Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Facebook to your OnlyFans profile. So, let's get started. First of all, open your OnlyFans account and go to your profile by clicking on your profile icon in the top left corner. Once you are on your profile page, tap on the Edit Profile button. Now scroll down until you see the website URL section. In the field, paste the full URL of your Facebook profile or page. Make sure it's a public link so your fans can easily access it. After pasting the link, hit save to update your profile. Now, when someone visits your OnlyFans page, they'll see a clickable Facebook icon that will lead directly to your Facebook account. This is a great way to promote your other platforms and grow your audience across different networks. And that's it. Now you know how to add Facebook to OnlyFans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.